I think the welding industry is going through some really interesting, exciting changes in the technological sector. We're here to take the welder and replace the torch in his hand with a button and a screen, and let them take their welding knowledge and apply it to the weld development that these machines need so that they can operate in an automated fashion. So we say, hey, embrace it. We're here to help you, walk you through that entire process. And with all of our different options, we have basically a machine that can fit any budget and any plant. We want to be a solution finder for you first, so share your application. Let's flush out the best thing that fits your needs, your shop's needs. All of them are different. Different jobs require different equipment. Like I said, we have portable options, we have fixed automation options, we have cobots, we have robots, we have welding lathes, and we do custom integrations too. We have all these different things that we've done that are super fun, and we love doing them. So that's kind of what I think separates us, makes it fun for our team, is we're here to answer and provide solutions for our customer.